the Mind Renovation series. Today is Demolition Day. When you are renovating your home, the Demolition Day is very crucial in the process. This is the same way Demolition Day for our mind is also essential. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello. My name is Danoue Goueth. I am a confidence and mindset coach. I am a mom, a wife, and a former stay-at-home mom. As a coach, my mission is to empower women over 40 to build unshakable confidence, overcome limiting beliefs with ease, and achieve extraordinary success so they can live the life of their dreams. Today, we are going to talk about Demolition Day. Yes, the same way you demolish your home when you are in the home renovation process is the same way you can also demolish those negative thoughts in your brain so we can replace them with more beautiful things. If you find this topic interesting, then keep on watching. All right, beautifuls, welcome to the Mind Renovation Series, episode 2. Last time in episode 1, we talked about blueprinting the mind and we explained what blueprinting the mind was. And in this episode, we are going to talk about the demolition day. The same way when you're renovating your home, you schedule a demolition day to break down the walls and the structures. Is the same way we are going to demolish all the negative thoughts, the old beliefs that are holding us back. You know, the belief that you are not good enough, you will never succeed, or oh, I will never get there. Oh, this is not mine. Oh, this is not for me. Stuff like that. Those type of beliefs or thoughts, we need to remove them. Okay? Because if we don't do so, we will never feel free and we will never feel confident. So the first thing we're going to do is to identify those beliefs, those negative thoughts. When I'm talking about demolition day, I don't want you to get me wrong. I know it's not easy, but it's doable. There is a way to do it. This is the same way when you're going to renovate your home during the demolition day. It's not like people will just come and bring tools, machines, and do start demolishing without a strategy. I am sure there is a strategy in everything. These strategies also apply to the mind demolition day. I know you've been living with those negative thoughts for a while, but the first step you need to take is willingness, right? Willingness to take action. And the second one is self-awareness. Okay? Self-awareness comes when you are having those thoughts or those limiting beliefs. You need to be aware that you are having them. That's when you will be able to do something about them. To demolish these negative thoughts or limiting beliefs, you need strategies. And those strategies can be replacing those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. It can also be challenging those beliefs, right? Challenging those old beliefs and also practicing um, gratitude to shift your mindset. When you decide to demolish an old house, doing a home renovation process, the idea is to remove all those walls, all those old structure, remove everything so you can create space for something new and beautiful. This is the same thing with our mind. On the demolition day, what we do is we eliminate all those negative thoughts and those negative beliefs so we can create a path for positive and empowering thoughts and beliefs to take root in our mind. By identifying and demolishing these negative thought patterns, you create room for a new and healthier way of thinking that will help you be happier and more confident in yourself. It's all about creating space for growth and positive changes in the mental house. So, like I said earlier, if you haven't watched the previous episode called Blueprinting Your Mind, I will suggest that you watch it so you can understand the process better. And you guys know that I like to take a moment to acknowledge you by asking some questions. So, my questions for you today are: where are you exactly in your journey? Are you in the process of blueprinting your mind? Are you in the demolition day? Are you ready to take action? Or are you already in the process of cultivating self awareness? Write your comment down below so I would like to hear from you. And remember, your journey is yours. There is no race or no competition in your journey. So, wherever you are, you're good. You just need to take action. So I am inviting you to like, share my videos with people you think might benefit from them, and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you in advance for the support. As you know, I am a confidence and mindset coach. If you are looking for someone or a coach to help you cope with some challenges in life, click the link down below to book a free assessment call with me so we can determine if I am a good coach for you or if we are a good fit for each other. If you are a jewelry lover just like me, click my boutique link down below to shop around because I am sure that you will find something that fits your needs. If you are still a jewelry lover but you prefer to shop on Poshmark, that's okay too. No harsh feeling. I am there too. You can click the Poshmark link down below and join me there. Thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure, as usual, recording this video for you. And I hope this analogy helps you illustrate the concept of demolishing negative thoughts and limiting beliefs. Thank you again. My name is Danoue, always empowering you to unleash your inner sparkle. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.